What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, consider the ASM chart for a control unit that is given below. Study this chart and answer the following question. How many inputs and output does this control have? List all the inputs and outputs clearly. Design the hardware control unit for the given ASM chart using one flip-flop per state. Clearly show the logic diagram containing logic for generating the next state and all the outputs and control unit. Assume the D flip-flop with synchronous preset and clear inputs are available. Okay, here we are going to do the B part. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So let's design the hardware design. I'm just going to quickly design. Okay, so here I'm not much I'm running out of time, so I just give the final answer right here, give the explanation later maybe. Okay, this is DS1 preset and QS1, this is S1 and this one is S2 and then S3, this one connected to an OR gate, this one connected to an OR gate, and here we will have an AND gate connected to this, and this one the inputs are QS1 and then S bar for this one, and for this one another AND gate is connected and the inputs are QS3 and this is Y, and for this one S. Okay, and that's it for this one. Here we will have a load counter, clear, and S2 have DS2, QS2, this one is PR, SL, the inputs are OR gate and gate connected to it, QS2, C bar, and another AND gate connected to this one, that is QS3, Y, and S bar. For this one, an AND gate connected to this, that is QS1 and S. Clear, reset, OR gate. Okay, let's explain this one later. Here we have X3, again preset QS3, LA, EB, DIB. Okay, clear, reset, DS3, QS3, Y bar, QS2Z, and let's continue here. Here we have an OR gate connected to ES, and get connected here. Y QS3. This one is QS1, QS2. And OR gate EC is an output. And here QS1, QS2, and Z. Okay, that's it for this one. That's the answer for this question. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. If you are trying to learn digital logic design too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.